Hello, Casper Kruger from Fisheries again here. Optimum Fisheries and Research. Salvinia minima, before I'm saying molesta again, is really now taking over the system more than ever. This is how it looks today. We're busy with some people. I just want to maybe also tell you this, underneath here, except for plastics, all the rubbish here. This is bad, then bad. There's no oxygen, there's no life. Nothing can live underneath this. Yeah. If you look, there's Cosmos, the dam wall is on the right-hand side. I think we are about, if I look now, about 12-14%, maybe 20%. I don't know. I will go and get a better measurement later. This is how it looks. So for all the people, as clever people then, there's much to say about it. I'm not cleaning Hartbeespoort Dam. I know how to clean it. Our business know how to do this. If I say it will take us 2 or 3 months to bring this back to about 2% and then keep it down 2% and less, yes, we must have money. We must have the right equipment. We must have people that want to work. Listen very carefully what I'm saying here. This is urgent call to everybody. If there's money, you do the job. To take it out is one of the problems that we can do. We've got equipment and we can make bigger equipment. To get rid of it and go to dump it somewhere where it's safe is another problem. So Optimum Fisheries can do this. Well, let's clean this dam. Let's put our hope in this business and do it. And we can't do it for free, but we want to help clean this dam. People, thank you very much for contribute to share these videos all over. Let's clean this problem for once and for all and keep it there. Don't wait till it's a problem like now. We as a business want to clean it the right way, get the fish back ecosystem. Do you know no tilapia is growing here? And then also for the clever people also have much to say. That kills the hyacinths and the Salvinia. It goes down to the bottom and get rotten. We must try to take 80-90% out and then we can also keep it clean with all the goggaitjies and all the bugs. Yeah, now we have to do it scientifically correct this time. Thank you.